I watch most of your vlogs. Welcome to Schmidtty Vlogs. This is called Trick Shots.
Oh, Maddie, that's not how you hold it.
Let's go.
Could you imagine if you got a hole in one?
Yeah, pretty close.
Yo, dude, check out that TV.
Welcome to Schmidtty Vlogs.
Ethical and legal issues.
You see my nose?
What do you think about Michael? How do you really feel?
Say anything.
You know, I think he just isn't the one for me, you know? I don't think it's gonna work out. I don't think this is gonna work out. I think, Michael, I gotta tell you something.
No, that's a cow. Better not have any beef with that thing. Just too much at stake, you know what I mean? You don't want to lose a toe. Then you'd lactose. And there's a sheep. And there's Alexander.
Hello, we need vlog content. Hello.
I'm 20 seconds short from a full vlog.
Really? You can't get 20 seconds?
I know.
And you can't get somebody to ramble on about nothing for 20 seconds. My brother could do that for 5 minutes. We need 20 more seconds of saying nothing, even though nothing is easy to say. My brother could say nothing for minutes on end without saying anything. He could talk continuously without saying anything for minutes, but I can't do that. So, did you get 20 seconds yet?
Is this the show about nothing?
No, that's not nothing. Anyway, nothing.
That's all, folks. But steak.
That touched my foot.
Steak in the mouth, yeah, dude.
It's the floor shot.